Easily one of the questions I get asked most about is how do I quickly improve my rankings for SEO? Hi, my name is Laura Cardona. I'm a seasoned SEO. I'm going to be honest, there's not a lot of silver bullets when it comes to SEO. It is certainly a game of a marathon, not a sprint, if you will. It's a long run game. But any great SEO has a few tricks up their sleeves, and I'm going to let you in onto one of my best kept secrets. And not only teach you how to do a very simple hack that on average increases my clients' page visibility by 10% impressions and 5% clicks in GSC. And that's real test data that I've conducted. Always see a lift from this, almost always, right? Never say never. But I'll also show you how to fully automate this strategy using SaagaSolve's agentic marketing solutions. Let's jump right into SaagaSolve. What we're going to be doing, guys, just to spill the beans ahead of time, is we're going to be looking at Google Search Console data. And when I say we, I mean we're really going to be prompting agents to do that for us. How cool is that? We're going to look at Google Search Console data to figure out what are the top 3 keywords or queries for our pages that we're trying to improve in rankings. For the sake of an example, I'm just going to do top 3 keywords on top 3 pages. I recommend not doing any more than 3 keywords, but go bananas with the amount of pages you do. You can do 10, 100, thousands. This is fantastic if you're working on larger sites, especially like e-commerce or publishing and media sites. We're going to pull the top 3 keywords for those top 3 pages, and then we're going to simply append them to the title tag. And again, when I say we're going to get agents to do this for us. What does that look like? Let's take a look. So I'm in SaagaSolve, and I'm already connected WordPress access within SaagaSolve's integrations. No worries if you're not using WordPress. SaagaSolve has a wealth of fantastic integrations. Like if you're on Webflow, for example, can absolutely handle that. And I've already connected Google Search Console access as well. So I'm going to say using Google Search Console, pull the top 3 keywords for the top 3 pages with the most clicks on the target site, which is precisionplumbingpro.com in this case. SaagaSolve went ahead and pulled those keywords. A quick caveat is it originally pulled in some branded keywords. We don't want branded keywords for this strategy, so going forward, that's something I'd absolutely add into the prompt. But this time I just said top 3 non-branded keywords, and it iterated and gave me the top 3 keywords for pages. Sometimes pages simply, this is a newer site, so simply weren't ranking for that many non-branded. But where it could pull the top 3 keywords, it absolutely did. And then all I'm going to say is append those top 3 keywords to their respective page's title tag. You can use the piping character, which is this little guy right here, and add the keywords to the end of the title tag like this. Keyword A, B, C. Now, this is just a formatting preference. You guys can get creative in how you want those keywords to be added on. Or if you want it to be totally natural and not just appended to the end of the title tag, go ahead and do so as well, One thing I get asked on a lot is, hey, Laura, doesn't this make the title tag super long if you're taking 3 keywords and slapping it to the end? In almost all of my testing, Google truncates the title tag anyway. That means in SERPs, it'll actually shorten it to what the top 60 characters are, or even take it a step further and use AI to rewrite the title tag entirely. So for me, this is no harm, no foul. Google's still going to serve up a pretty great title tag. And by inserting those relevant keywords that Google's already associating with the page, we're making that association that much stronger for Google. And that's why we see almost an immediate lift with this strategy. So SaagaSolve then ran fire crawl, scraped the pages to learn what the current title tag is. And then it asked me, hey, how should I edit the title tag? Are you using Yoast? Are you using rank math, theme settings? I said, you have access to the WordPress and edit via Yoast. So it scraped the list of pages just to confirm that it has the correct URLs. And boom, it wrote those new title tags right to the pages. Again, for the sake of example, I'm doing 3 pages. Imagine if this was a 1,000-page website. Can you imagine doing that manually? Even just the first step, right? Going to Google Search Console and getting those keywords. But proof is in the pudding, so we want to go to the page and make sure that SaagaSolve was actually able to successfully write it. And absolutely right here, Fort Mill Plumber, Precision Plumbing Pro, 24-hour plumber near me, Century Hour Service near me, Plumber Fort Mill, South Carolina. Those are the 3 keywords that it flagged right here, and it wrote that successfully to the page. So if you guys are looking for any silver bullets in SEO, start here. There's not a lot, so definitely take advantage of this when you can, and especially take advantage of SaagaSolve that can just automate this whole strategy for you and make your life that much easier.